back. I hope you're all doing well. So it's Saturday morning here and my house is a tip. I don't think I've ever seen it look this bad, and I'm embarrassed that I'm actually about to show you this on the internet, but I guess everybody's house gets like this from time to time, doesn't it? I have got such a busy week next week that today is my only real chance to do this. So I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone. You guys seem to really enjoy my cleaning videos for some reason, so I thought I would do an extreme clean of the whole house from bottom to top. Should be from top to bottom, shouldn't it? Anyway, I'm starting in the kitchen and I'm going to film it for you as well, so I really hope you enjoy it. Please excuse the mess. Sounds like such a stupid thing to say, but hopefully by the end of it we're going to have our clean, tidy, cozy house back. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I'm just going to get straight into it. Wish me luck.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. I'm There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night. I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to the sound. Turn it loud, just make
Right, so I've just finished downstairs. That took me a lot longer than I thought because I've really properly spring cleaned it. So it's a bit dull outside, so I apologise if it's dark up here, but I just want to show you upstairs before I start, because honestly it looks like I've set this up for this video to make it look as bad as possible. I promise this is how it was when I woke up this morning. It's awful. Archie has tipped all of their toy bags out. This is his room. And then this is our room. It is disgraceful. It never really gets this bad, but I was filming videos and then obviously this all happened. I think he had a party this morning. And it's just got to this point, so it's time to put it back to normal.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. I was standing
So it's about 6:30 now and I think I'm officially defeated. I'm pretty much done, but there's just a couple of bits I've got to do, but the boys are going to bed, so I kind of need to wrap up. I've just hoovered everywhere and I'll just show you what it looks like. I might try and do a little bit more once I've gone to bed because I need to put our sheets back on and everything, but I'm pretty much done and I'm really pleased with it. So apart from our bed, our room is completely done. As you can see, it's dark now. So yeah, everywhere's tidy in here. Archie's bedroom's completely done. And then in Elliot's room, it's pretty much there. The only thing I need to do in his and our room is go through this pile of clothes because he's grown out of loads of clothes now, so I've just got to sort that out and sort the drawers out, but that can be a job for another day. And the only things I didn't get around to showing you were cleaning the bathroom and the downstairs toilet, but I can do those in the morning. I'm not too worried about that. Like I've showed you basically everything else. So I think I'm gonna go and sleep for about 12 hours now. I'm exhausted, but it's a good job done. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.